Hello, and welcome to Sustainable Truth. Sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Today, we are gonna talk about why Tesla stock is a buy in 2022. Gigafactory Berlin is Tesla's first manufacturing location in Europe and is most advanced, sustainable, and efficient facility yet. Scheduled for completion at the end of 2021, it will manufacture up to 700,000 cars per year at peak capacity in Phase 1 and millions of battery cells. That will decrease the delivery times to Europe, drastically enabling Tesla to make more profits by reducing the logistic challenges and increasing economies of scale. This will possibly reduce the price of their vehicles depending on demand. At the moment, Tesla's demand is very high, therefore price reduction will depend on the amount of cars they can produce, either way ensuring profitability. Giga Texas. To be completed by end of 2021 and volume production in 2022. The factory is planned to be the main factory for the Tesla Cybertruck and the Tesla Semi. It will also produce Model 3 and Model Y cars for the eastern United States. It also serves as the site of Tesla's corporate headquarters. This will enable Tesla to produce as many as 500,000 Model Y SUVs per year at Giga Texas in this phase. More expansion is expected at a later date. Fremont and Shanghai. These two existing factories continue to optimize and expand, adding to current production capacity. Elon Musk said at the 2020 shareholder meeting that he expects the Shanghai factory to achieve an annual production target of 1 million units. For comparison, in 2021, Tesla aims for production capacity of about 550,000 units for Shanghai factory, which is now close to this figure. With Tesla's additional $1.2 billion investment in the Shanghai plant, its use is optimized in the existing production lines, in the process expanding the production capacity of the press, body, paint and final assembly shops and logistics operations center. This prepares for high production capacity next year. So, we will see if the production capacity can reach 1 million units next year. There is also even more room for battery lines and production expansion at Fremont. In 2016, Elon Musk talked about producing 1 million cars per year from Fremont. By the end of 2021, Fremont could produce up to 750,000 cars per year and have 10 gigawatt-hours per year pilot battery production. The more conservative estimate is that Tesla Fremont will add 100,000 cars per year of capacity by the end of 2021 and another 100,000 cars per year of capacity by the end of 2022. This will bring the total production capacities close to 1 million units. Adding up all these expansions and new factories, it is believed that Tesla could reach 2 million vehicles in 2022 alone. Tesla Supercharger Network. Tesla is rolling out a pilot program in the Netherlands that opens 10 supercharger locations to non-Tesla electric vehicles for the first time. As Elon mentioned, quote, "Increasing the utilization of the network actually reduces our costs, which allows us to lower charging prices for our customers and make the network more profitable, allows us to grow the network faster," he said. And no matter what, we're going to continue to aggressively expand the network capacity, increasing charging speeds, improving the trip planning tools to protect against site congestion using dynamic pricing. That means more superchargers and more revenue from non-Tesla cars also. The company plans to double the supercharging network within 2 years, making the brand even more appealing for customers. Full self-driving. As 2022 goes by, the capabilities of current FSD beta will increase dramatically due to increased amount of Tesla cars on the road. Tesla collect data from their fleet, and therefore the more Teslas are on the road, the faster the progress will be happening. We should be expecting significant advances in autonomous technology in 2022. Tesla Insurance. All current Tesla's owners in Texas are eligible for this new type of insurance, which does not need the installation of an additional device in the vehicle. According to the business, Tesla evaluates your premium based on your real driving, using specialized features within the vehicle. Instead of using standard characteristics like credit, age, gender, claim history, and driving records, you will make monthly payments depending on your driving behavior. By using real-time data from their fleet, Tesla can better predict the risk of collision and therefore offer better premiums than competitors. Coupled with the fact that Teslas are one of the safest cars on the road, the insurance business really adds to the bottom line. Cybertruck. With the reservations already surpassed 1 million and deliveries starting in 2022, Cybertruck will bring enormous amounts of revenue in the coming year. Of course, to be noted is that it's a new manufacturing process, and that delays and issues are most certainly to be expected. But having the track record of Model 3 ramp, it sure gives confidence that Tesla has what it takes. Once the production ramps up and the lines are fine-tuned, the profit margin should really show, as the assembly process will be much simpler than conventional pickup trucks. Stainless steel exoskeleton and no paint shop to worry about are just a few of the examples. Taking all of the things in consideration, Tesla continues to accelerate their production efforts. While being trashed by mainstream media about profitability, they continue to invest in R&D, expansion, and ramping up production. Increasing their fleet and advancing full self-driving capabilities. Expanding their supercharging network and reaching their goal of 50% year-over-year growth. And with the existing track record, it does not seem that they are about to slow down. While competition are still in early stages of production, they are only at the bottom of the steep mountain of scaling and volume production, which is the hard part. Once we see another company achieve that milestone without going bankrupt, then we can call them a competitor to Tesla. Until then, Tesla just keeps moving ahead faster and faster. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this. Any feedback would be greatly appreciated in the comments. Stay informed, until next time.